Here we are, week one, first two giveaways. So let's see. Got a little Jimmy Buffett in the background. Let's see if I can get this thing to work. What I did was I took the names off of all your postings, and then I tied them to a ticket number. No, I didn't write your names on the ticket. And by the way, you don't have to keep a coupon. I got the coupons. So let's see. This first one, oh, don't let that roll over. This first one is ticket number 228086. Let's see. Look over here, 228086. 086. Brian McDonald. Hey, man, you got it. You're the first winner. So, Brian McDonald. And we'll spin it one more time. Boy, this key needs some WD-40 or something. And let's see here. This is definitely a double blind random because of how the name showed up on LinkedIn, how I put them onto the ticket numbers, and then how I'm drawing the tickets. But all right, wow, another high number. So 228078. 228078. I feel like I'm calling out bingo. Hey, Jake, Yako Salam. Jacko Salem, Yako Salem, Hako Salem, depending on what part of the world you're in. Jake, man, Jade. I'm sorry, Jade. It's not even Jake. I can't read my own typing. Jade, you are the second winner for week one. Hey, guys, add more people in. Come on here, go on to this post and tag more people. The more people that you tag, the more entries that you get, the more opportunities you're going to have to win this free trip or this vacation in Cancun. All right, we'll see you next week. Congratulations to Jade and Brian. Awesome.